Have you heard the story, Rags to Riches? Yes, it's like poverty from greatness. And for today, we will talk a one story that has the plot of the story Rags to Riches. And I will be naming this story Good Shot to Good Life. And the main character of our story is Efren Bata Reyes. Efren Bata Reyes was born on August 26, 1954 from Mexico, Pampanga, Philippines. Yes, you've heard it right. Efren Bata Reyes is a Kapampangan. Si Tatang Efren po ay isa ring Kabalen. Tatang Efren came from a very poor farming family. Magsasaka po ang kanyang mga magulang. His parents worked very hard, but their earnings were only enough to provide for their family's basic needs. There were no luxuries in their home, and life was a daily struggle. Because of their financial difficulties, Efren was sent to live with his uncle in Manila when he was about 5 years old, and hoping he would have better opportunities there. His uncle owned a small billiard hall, but life in Manila was far from easy. And instead of enjoying a normal childhood, Efren worked as a helper in the billiard hall. Every day, he swept the floors, cleaned the billiard tables, arranged the balls, and ran errands for customers. Since he had no proper bedroom, he often slept on the billiards table after the shop closed. He also could not afford billiard lessons and buy his own equipment. So, he learned by simply watching skilled player and practicing whenever the tables were free. Despite these hardships, Efren never allowed poverty stop him from chasing his dreams. And rather feeling discouraged, Efren used every free moment to practice. He carefully observed experienced players, copied their techniques, and spent countless hours to improve his skills. His determination, patience, and discipline helped him become one of the best players in local billiard competition. His struggles did not end there. Efren experienced unfair treatment from some of the people managing him. After winning prize money in the United States, he said that he did not receive the money he had earned because it was handled by his managers. Instead of giving up, he continued competing, believing that his talent and hard work would eventually lead him to success. His perseverance finally paid off. He became one of the best billiard players in history and earned the nickname The Magician because of his incredible shot-making skills. He won and received many titles, and today he is recognized around the world as one of the best pool players of all time, earning respect, financial success, and inspiring millions of athletes. Now, the question is, what could be the reflection or moral lesson of this story? For me, Efren Bata Reyes' story teaches us that our circumstances do not define our future. Poverty, hardship, and unfair treatment may slow us down, but they do not have to stop us. Through hard work, perseverance, humility, and dedication, we can overcome life's challenges and achieve our dreams. Efren's journey reminds us that true success comes from never giving up, no matter how hard life may be. And that's all for today. Bye-bye!